Hello friends, once again myself Ashish Jain in front of you in recording of transaction first last question and very important question of this chapter NCERT book page number 97. Okay, it is a GST question and IGST and SGST question. Brought goods of rupees 2000 from Kanta of Delhi, CGST 9% and SGST 9%. Now in this 2 lakh we have to put 9% GST, CGST and 9% SGST. Then brought goods of 1 lakh rupees for cash from Rajasthan at 12%. Sold goods of 1,15,000 to Sudhir of Punjab, IGST 18%. So 115 per we will put 18% IGST, that will be nearby 27,000. Paid railway transport of 10,000, CGST 5% and SGST 9%. Brought air condition for office use 60,000. Sold goods of 1,50,000 to cash to Sunil, IGST 18%. Again IGST it will be 27,000. Brought motorcycle for business for 50,000, CGST 14% and SGST 14%. So it will be 7,000 CGST and 7,000 IGST. Paid for broadband service 4,000, CGST 9% and SGST 0%. It's certain. Brought goods of 50,000 from Rakesh, Delhi, CGST 9% and SGST again 9%. So it will be 4,500 GST and 4,005 GST 9%. Now to do here first entry. So the first entry will be as it was the brought goods of rupees 2 lakh from Kanta. So purchase account debit 2 lakh. Input CGST account 18,000 and input SGST 18,000. To Kanta it will be we will plus 2 lakh plus 18 and 18 2 lakh 36,000. Narration will be goods being purchased on credit and CGST and SGST paid. Now next one it is brought goods of 1 lakh rupee. So purchase account debit 1 lakh rupee. Input IGST 12,000 because it is 12%. So 1 lakh ka 12% it will be 12,000. To cash 1 lakh 12,000. Goods being purchased in cash and IGST being paid. The next one it is sold goods of rupees 1,50,000 to Sudhir 18% CGST. So Sudhir account debit this you leave it first. टू सेल कितना है 1,50,000 एंड टू आउटपुट GST आएगा इसमें क्योंकि सेलिंग में आउटपुट GST करते हैं और परचेज में इनपुट GST करते हैं. तो इट विल बी 27,000. टोटल इट विल बी 1,77,000. देन नेक्स्ट वन वी विल राइट हियर नरेशन गुड्स सोल्ड on credit to Sudhir and GST charged. Then after it is expenditure, it is the paid for railway transport. So it will be railway transport expenditure account debit 10,000 rupee. Input CGST 10,000 ka it will be 5% 500 and SGST 500. So to cash total 11,000. Then E1 it is sold goods to 1,20,000 to Sindhu. तो Sindhu account debit this we will leave 1 minute. टू सेल कितने का है 120 का. आउटपुट CGST 120 का it will be the 9% it will be 10,800 and output CGST it will be 10,800. So total we will do now 1,20,000 plus 10 and 10 it will be 14,100 1,600 and sold goods to Sindhu on credit and GST being charged. Then after the next point comes office expenditure. तो ऑफिस एक्सपेंडिचर debit 50,000, input CGST and input SGST 54 and 54. AC being purchased, total कितना हो गया 60 plus 5 plus 5 70,000. Then G, it is sold goods of 1,50,000 to Sunil 18% IGST. Cash account debit, this you leave it. To sale, selling कितना है हमारा 1,50,000 का. To IGST 27,000. So it will be 1,77,000. Motor car account debit 50,000, CGST 7,000, SGST 7,000, to cash 64,000. Next J1, it is brought goods of 50,000. The purchase account debit 50,000, input CGST 4,500 and input IGST it is 4,500. To Rajesh, total 59,000. And last, broadcast service paid. So broadcast service account debit, input CGST 360, to cash 4,360, purchase good for cash and GST being paid. इसके बाद लास्ट एंट्री अपन करेंगे दिस ऑफ टोटल. तो हाउ इट इज बीन डन, टोटल GST हमें निकालना, IGST टोटल, CGST टोटल, GST. तो आउटपुट IGST डेबिट 54,000, आउटपुट CGST डेबिट 12,000 एंड आउटपुट SGST 12,000. टू इनपुट IGST 12,000 ये वाला, टू इनपुट CGST 33 एंड टू इनपुट SGST 33,000. हमने कितना दिया है और हमने कितना GST लिया है. ओके, आउटपुट में मैंने पहले बताया था कि वी हैव व्हाट द गुड्स वी आर सेलिंग एंड इनपुट में व्हाट द गुड्स वी आर परचेजिंग. ये कैलकुलेशन इट इज ऑफ आउट GST, it is a loss or a profit. तो this first we will write CGST, SGST, IGST. आउटपुट हमारा कितना है 10,800, 10,800, 54,000. लॉस CGST 35,760, SGST 35,400 and IGST 17,000. This will be minus 0, 7,560 and this. So here this question over of GST, and after this the recording of transaction first chapter fully over. Hope so you all like it. Please like and subscribe the channel Parashnath Education Center by Ashish. Thank you please.